So welcome to Why Options Contracts Gain and Lose Value. We're going to give a real connection between stock movement and contract pricing because that's the key, right? We're going to go over price movement. We're going to go over time. We're going to go over speed of the move of the stock price. We're going to go over why you can be right and still lose. And we're going to go over the price you are paying for the contract. So first, a contract gains or loses value based on a few variables. But as a beginner, there are three variables I want burned into your mind: the direction, up or down; time, how long is it taking for that stock price to go up or down; and the strength of the movement. How fast is it going to the price, up or down? Those variables I need you to adopt because those are the main variables that contribute to your contract being grossly profitable, mildly profitable, or not profitable, in the red, a loser. All right. So if the stock moves in a direction you expected, that helps your contract. That gives you profits on your money that you bought the contract for. If time passes and the price does not move or don't move enough, then that variable theta that's attached to your contract makes you lose money. You'll be going in the red, negative. That can hurt a contract. Theta always hurts contract. That means the time that your stock is going towards the price that you have set by purchasing that strike price, it's not going fast enough, so that it's decaying your contract value. If the move is weak, we're going to get into that on a chart that comes full circle of how that happens when we analyze charts. But if the price movement is weak, slow, small, your contract may not respond the way you hope it should. This is why random entries kill beginner traders. You cannot just buy a contract because you feel like the stock should move the way you saying it should move, or someone on CNBC said it will go up, or someone on CNN says the market's going up. You just bought a call contract. You need the chart to be in a strong position. The better the stock location that you're getting in, the cleaner the move, the better chance your contract has to respond and give you profits on your money. That is very important. All right, let's go. We keep going.